A very good morning to and happy promise day to all of you. Whosoever promises to a father, mother, or whomever you promise, your promises comes true. Myself, Dr. Neetu, and I am coming with the objectives of seed science and technology for various competitive exams like ICAR, NET, GRF, SRF, AFO, NSC, NABARD, PhD, and this is my 12th series. Now let us start with very first question. Harvestable maturity of bhindi is. The correct answer is hairline crack formation. Answer is B. Now coming to next question. Question number 2. The protein accumulated in the embryo during later stages of seed development. Correct answer is A. That is Lia protein. Lia protein is the correct answer. Now coming to next question. Question number 3. An example of synthetic is oxin. An example of synthetic oxin is 1-naphthalene acetic acid. Answer is D. Now, next question. The covering enclosing the plumule is correct answer is C. That is coleoptile. Coleoptile is the correct answer. That is C. The covering of radicle is known as colorizer, and the covering of plumule is called coleoptile. The presence of stamen and pistils in different flowers on different plant is called as dioecious. We call him dioecious. The presence of stamen and pistil in different flowers on different plant is called as dioecious. Alkaloid test is used for lupin. Alkaloid test is used for lupins. Next is in a seed sample, the proportion of all non-living matter, disease and insect infested seeds and broken seed is called as inert matter. Inert matter is right answer whether it is a disease, insect infested seed or broken seed, husk, any type of material that is unwanted material comes under inert matter. The outermost wall of the ovary is called as pericarp. Answer is D. Next question. Seed certification involves 5 phases. That is correct answer is B. Now the emergence of seedling from seed is called as, we called it not dormancy but it is germination. Emergence of seedling from the seed. Normally male sterility in plants can be used to develop hybrids. Planting ratio of sorghum hybrid seed production is, answer is C, that is 5:2. The planting ratio is 5:2. What is the optimum dose of polycoat for seed coating? The optimum dose for polycoat in seed coating is 3 gram per kg of seed. Now, the nodal agency for implementing the PPV and for the nodal agency for implementing the PPV and FR is Ministry of Agriculture, that is Government of India. Answer is B. Next question is the common insect infesting the pulses seed in storage is, correct answer is A, that is Colasobrucus species. Colasobrucus species. These are the 15 questions of seed science and technology. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel Right Path for Education. Thank you and